Well, I would say just like keep up the hard work, and we're going really hard in practice. Our goal is obviously state, um, and yeah, just keep up the hard work. I don't know if that's the right answer or not, but whatever.
It's whatever you want. Other expectations would be to keep going as a family. That's one thing we are really good at Memorial, is being one unit. And that will help us get to our final goal, which is to win state. So, yeah.
Both of you are fairly tall. I know you had some other tall players on the team. Talk about the importance of size in your with your team this year.
Well, with having diversity in size is key. I believe you need to have taller people in the front to get blocks and stuff and get really good hits, but you need somewhat shorter girls in the back to be able to get down on the floor and get balls up. But, I mean, either way, we're trained to be able to do everything. So even Alli can get a ball that one of our girls who's 5'8" can get. So, yeah.
Alli, talk about being a sophomore in a team like this, a program like this, coming in and trying to establish yourself as a contributing part of this team.
I'm very blessed with the opportunity to be able to play with seniors, juniors, even another sophomore. It's just an honor to be able to play for Memorial because there's such a legacy in our school, and we have, like, I don't know what to say now. Yeah. Second. I don't know.